What's going on, guys? Operation Moon here with another video. Do me a favor, I'm trying to hit 750 subs before the end of June, so if you like the content, hit that sub button and drop a like. It would be greatly appreciated. So today's video is an update on SHIB and the recent price increase. So we'll jump into an article here and we'll look at the overall crypto market. So jumping right into it, as we can see, the entire crypto market is up 2.21%. And we're looking at a increase 0.43 for Bitcoin in the last 24 hours. But Ethereum is back above 2,000, so it's at 2,100. I mean, it's a dead giveaway. You can see green everywhere. So let's move down the list and you'll see there's significant increases in a lot of coins. XRP is up 4.3%, DOT's up 6.3%. The overall market is up. Bitcoin Cash was at 10% a second ago. Keep on going, and we're going to get down to our Shiba Inu. Now we're looking at a 9.37% increase. Look at the incline on that.
Yeah, boy.
Straight up, consistently moving up. It was 38% in the last 7 days, so that is huge. We are going to jump into a price analysis towards the end of the video, but we'll just have a quick look here. And as you can see, it's been a consistent swing up. Now, the good thing is we dropped the number, went from the 7s into the 8s now, and got extremely close to breaking the 8. So we're on the way to dropping that 0. So comment down below if you're excited to drop another 0. But what's crazy about this is we've seen a 10% increase in the market cap. So we're at 3.45 billion. We can see that the trading volume is up 25%, so 506 million. So it's very good for the token. Now, all right, so we're just going to jump across to this article here, and it's just an update on the price. It was posted yesterday, but it's going to relate to what's happened in the last 24 hours. So Shiba Inu price at inflection point, testament to bull's strength. Shiba Inu price has been on a 58% upswing since creating a local bottom at 0.50520. The resistance level at 0.50811 will decide if the upswing will continue. A decisive close above the said supply barrier might push SHIB to 0.50870, but failure might trigger a downward trend. Shiba Inu price performance indicates a massive comeback. However, revision to the mean is yet to occur and depends on the bull's strength to breach past a critical ceiling. Swift move above it suggests that the uptrend will continue. However, if the buyer fail, a retracement might evolve. Shiba Inu price at crossroads. Shiba Inu price dropped roughly 35% between June 21 and June 22 to 0.50520, which created a new range low. Since this point, Shiba's climbed to nearly 58% and came close to tagging the 50% Fibonacci retracement level at 0.50870. However, the dog-themed cryptocurrency is currently trading at 0.50809 below the resistance level at 0.50811. Although indecisive at the moment, assuming a potential spike in buying pressure that produces a decisive 4-hour candlestick close above 0.50811 significantly improve the odds for the bulls to tag 0.50870. Oh yeah, so moving on. Now basically what it's saying is we need to break this level in order to get above and close above the 870 mark. And what we can see here is if it fails that, basically we may have a bit of a downward trend. So saying here, if Shiba Inu price fails to breach past the resistance level of 0.50811, it will indicate the buyer's inability. In such a case, SHIB might initially retrace to the immediate support barrier at 0.50739. So I'll post a link to this article. Shout out to fxstreet.com. Now, it's going to relate to the technical analysis towards the end of the video because we will see exactly where we are at. Before we jump into that, just wanted to shout out this post right here. Shiba Inu will be on the Tour de France on July 10th. It's done. I placed my order. Take a good look at the start of the stage of the Tour de France on July 10th. The banner will then remain in place so that as many people as possible can meet the flying Shiba. Sirius Blues 65. You the man or girl. So that's awesome. Keen to see that. I'm sure it's going to be all over Reddit. Very good. Quick update on the holders here. We're at 564,000, so that's very positive. Jumping across to the charts now, and you might be seeing a lot of purple lines and just trying to work it out. So in my previous videos, I would put these purple lines as, supports and resistances, or just key points of interest, as I like to call them as well. So they're just areas where there's been a lot of traction. There's been a lot of candles, wicks touch, and a few things like that, or just the general range. So what we're going to look at today is we can see that at this point here on the 28th, it broke out on the up and up, came back down, consolidated here, and then we just shot up to the 800 mark. So this area here is 790, trying to break past the 800 zone. Broke past the 800 zone and came back down. Now we've tested that 774 range, come back up and retested 810. Bounced off, tested again, rejected, come back up and finally broke that level. And that has just gone all the way up sky high. We are currently at 885. As you can see, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 7 times. This is the hour-long candles. We tested this it's 810 zone. It's a bit higher than that, but we'll go, it's about 810 to 813, the zone that we needed to break. Now, heading back to this article, the resistance level here is at 811. As you can see from the chart, this area, 808, 813 in this zone. So it's right in there at that 811 mark. And once we broke it, we pushed all the way above. All right. And the next one was, I believe, about 860. So right now, what we want to happen is more upward momentum. We want to have candles close above this area here, this 878 zone, or go 875 to 880. We want candles to close above that. Now, it's been a very nice upswing, but we look at the price increase to the top of that candle, it's 20% in a day. Massive, like huge breakout. So it's all the volume. I imagine it's all the hype. SHIBA is still around the corner. So we've still got a lot going on with this token. This is just very positive. Now, once that happens, I feel we may run into another resistance around this 9 mark. So we're trying to drop to 0. That's the goal. We want that 0 gone. Drop that 0. We need to get all the way back up here. We haven't been at this zone since the 3rd of June. It's going to happen. Right? It's just a matter of time. But ideally, the most important part here is that from this level, we went from 743. We're in the 8s. We're at the top end of the 8s. 743, currently at 886. So, we went from 7 to 8s and now we're at the top end of the 8s, almost at 9 within the span of a day. So that's just the power of how quickly a token can move. So positive stuff there. But look, if you like the content, hit that sub button. Like I said, trying to get 750 subs. We'll be posting information about my Patreon soon, as well as my guide to picking altcoins. So the process I go through in order to work out if I would like to invest in a altcoin. So thanks for watching. Peace.